How to make your own prediction market. Step one, head on over to Tomorrow Market, the tomorrowist of the marketists. Tomorrow Market's a website similar to Kalshi where you can place predictions on markets and how they'll end up. Will it rain in Sao Paulo Barra today? 50% yes, 50% no, because no one's voted on this one yet. You can comment on it, do whatever you want. If you want to make your own post like this, you're gonna need to create yourself an account. If you're not from a region that allows prediction markets, you're going to get this little tab up here saying browsing only in your region, placing bets and payouts are unavailable. You can't make any markets, but what you can do is you can create markets still, because that's not anywhere in the rules anywhere. Like Instagram. So when you create markets, they're going to show up on your profile page. You'll be able to edit them and stuff like that and promote them to other people, because you can earn a percent of the pool for everyone that goes into your market. So if you go to the create page, put in a title, will Taylor Swift get fat? Give a description, huge, location, United States, category, community. You can either have it finish on a specific date and time or just whenever she gets fat. Then describe how the winner is gonna win. This one's actually important. You have to put some specifics in here. Will Taylor Swift break 200 pounds before 2030? Then you put in a verification URL, like where you're verifying it. How are we gonna know? You can select one of two things. You either have Tomorrow Market verify it, or you resolve it yourself. If you're resolving it yourself, that's on you. You're gonna have to do all the work. If you're doing Tomorrow Market, they're gonna need some information. Either way, we're gonna go self right now. You only earn money if you're resolving it yourself, not if you use the TM Oracle. So we're gonna take Taylor Swift's Instagram, and we're gonna put this for the resolution URL, and then we need to choose an image. So we'll take this image of Fat Taylor Swift, save it to the thingy, and then we'll choose image Fat Taylor Swift. Create market. When you create a market, it's gonna launch this thing called Phantom. It's a little plugin that goes up here so you can like do ghost stuff. Enter your password. It's just your crypto wallet, but built into your computer. You'll need some USDC and some Solana in there in order to facilitate the market stuff, same as any other online thing. USDC can be transferred in between the Phantom app, so no matter what kind of coin you have, you can figure that out on there. To create the markets though, you just need Solana. Creating the markets are free right now. So you can explore the app. So just like any social media app, the first one to the app is gonna get the most followers. So right now, there's not really any posts. The current picks by others are samples because we just launched. And the top winners, that's obviously a test. And there's my account. There's our friends' accounts. So feel free to create some bets on here. Doesn't really cost you anything to do that. And if you're interested in creating a bunch of markets and you want to get some cool stuff on here, send me the markets you create and I will reimburse you for the Solana that you put in. Quick side note, when you try to create your market, so here's the Phantom pop-up, and right now, since we're a new app, it's saying we're sketchy. I promise we're not sketchy. There's the website. It's all verified with them, but they do this when it's a new website. What you'll do is you'll click the Proceed Anyway Unsafe button, and then you will confirm unsafe. I promise, one, it's safe. Two, I'm gonna send you the 0.0002 soul back anyway. But I promise that red, it's a fake red. Here's two of the markets that I've made so far. Will the USA land humans on the moon before 2030? Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you like about it. Anything you need. Yeah, make some predictions with friends. Have fun creating markets.